planner friends, it's Nia. Welcome to Life with Nia. Today we are going to unbox the November cloth and paper intention box, which of course November includes the spiral. So usually I don't unbox without y'all, and I didn't this time either, but I did take the spiral out because I wanted to look at the layout to see if it could fill in for something that I have now, or if I was still going to need to do some research and work. And I think I'm still going to need to do some research and work. I'm not sure what I'm going to use the spiral for just yet. But I have it here. I did still do 2 boxes, so there's going to be double of everything. If you are interested in the spiral, I know for sure I need to destash one of them. Comment down below or email me at studioblisscoplans@gmail.com, which is also down below, and let me know, and we can take care of that ASAP. And if you've ever received anything from me, you know there's always going to be some extras. Okay, so let's get into this. So the spiral is, hold on, let me get all the things out. So the spiral is packaged in I think this month, I normally get HP Mini and half letter. I don't think we received anything else this month that are in those sizes. So the spiral comes in this bag, and it is a, I don't know, like a really soft, it's not your typical plastic. It's something really nice. And so it says 2025 yearly planner, 5.8 by 8.3, which I think is half letter size. Maybe not. Maybe A5. So it says there's 212 pages. It is spiral bound. The bag has been crafted from an eco-friendly material. It's water-based ink, so they're working to reduce plastic. So this is how it comes. Okay. All right, and then we have our vessel this month, which is a brown puffer pouch. It says CP down there at the bottom. This has like a suede type feel to it, and it's got that brush feeling. Got your puffer style, silver zipper. Oh, it's kind of like the same material. Usually they're like a wipeable line type material inside. This is kind of similar to the outside. So we have that. Let's look at our reflection cards this month. So the prompt is gifted. Here is the monthly reflection. So gifted, and it says it's the value of a gift found in what's given or in the intention behind it. No video would be complete without me sneezing. Okay, so we have that gifted reflection prompt card. We have this memento journaling card, which is cute because it's like a tag. Got your gold grommet, and this is layered. So you've got like a textured linen cardstock, and then like a, it's like a plastic, but almost like a vellum feel to it. And it says memento on top with cloth and paper, and then underneath it says, often associated with memories and keepsakes, a memento is a souvenir of a person or an experience. And then this is really long. I'm not going to read all of this, but mementos are delicate threads of our past woven into the fabric of our present. So cute. I like that. The next thing we have is Luxe page flags in stone. So here are our page flags. There is a set of 3. They are 0.75 by 1.5. These are like the noted and all those other page flags we have that I can't think of at the moment. I keep them in this pouch. So to do urgent, similar style with no words on them, same size. So stone Luxe page flags. Then we have some dot stickers in tortoise shell. And there are, looks like 4 sheets. So you can see the detail there with the tortoise. And then you have the bar tortoise. And it looks like there's 2 of each. So 2 bar and 2 of the dots. Okay. Next we have a January 2025 pocket calendar. So it looks like we are changing the style on the calendar. I think this will still fit. I like to put this in my wallet. I like getting 2 because I put them 2 different places. I put one in my wallet, one in a planner. I think this is going to be a little wide for the wallet, but I can trim it down. I love the style. This is cute. Now, this is cute. It's got like this texture to it where it looks like a page is torn off, but it's all part of the same thing. It says January and 2025 up at the top. And then there's room for you to write in some important dates. I think they said they were not doing a year of calendar cards, like you could purchase a year of cards to go into this acrylic holder. But this fits in there nicely. So that is an option. If you want to put it into the acrylic holder, you can do that. Always love having a calendar. Okay, next we have raised dot stickers. And I think there's raised bar stickers as well. So these are clear dots, and they are raised. There is definitely a hump there, texture for sure. And then So we have two pages, 2 sheets. Okay, let me get this off of here. Here is our second sheet, which is the bar. So these are raised bar stickers. So you can see. Now, I don't know as far as someone who already has like a chunky planner, I'm not sure how much chunkier this would make things. It is a very cute concept though. So we've got our dots and bars in the clear. And let me put this back on here. Okay, so we have that. Then the next thing is the gift tag sticker roll. So there are 50 stickers. They're 3 by 1.5 inches. And so we've got a roll here. Okay, so this says to and from. They are just very white, minimalistic, you know, nothing fancy, but at the same time, like luxe, just very simplistic. It is like a linen-y texture type material. And then I don't know what this says at the bottom, but un cadeau pour toi. Maybe a gift for you. My French is not that great. Where's Natalie? Un cadeau pour toi. I think it says a gift for you. Or if not, I'm very close. Okay, so that is... There's 50 of them on there, and they are all the same. So make sure you got a good look at that. So these are the gift tags. And they're on a roll. 50 is more than enough. More than enough. They come in a nice little box, which you can use to store them in, and you can actually pull the roll. You can thread it through here and pull them out that way. So gift tag stickers, set of 50, 3 inches by 1.5 inches. All right, our next item is the spiral. Before I do the spiral, let me show you the pins this month. Okay. Pleading with cloth and paper to please, please, please bring the pen test sticky notes back. All right, so we have 2 pins, and it says a colored pen, 0.5 millimeters, black gel pen, 0.5 millimeters. Somebody at Cloth and Paper knows. Somebody knows, because if that ain't blue, I don't know if they're all that color. Somebody was looking out for me. So we have a Uni 1, 0.5. Is my ink gonna be blue? It's like a blue-green. I am just not I don't know what it is. I'm just not, the Uniball one is not it for me. I have a bunch of them, and it just never quite does it. Sometimes you can fix it with padding, which actually did help tremendously, but I don't love it. I like it, but I don't love it. I don't want to do all that work. But it's not bad. I don't like how where I press, like at the end or beginning, it leaves the dot. See the dot? See the dot? I don't like that. See, at the end of everything has a dot. And that is not me like lingering. It just does it. So, I like that it's blue though. Here, we're team blue. Okay, so Pentel Calm. Calm with an E, 0.5. This has like a nice little texture down here. And you click this part. It's very quiet. Okay, so it helps if you take the little thing off. So this feels like a 0.3, 0.4, 0.5 wear. I think that this pen would work really good. There are certain 0.5s. I don't like the way this is skippy. See how there's a gap there in the M? I did not lift. That is the pen skipping. Same with the E. There are certain pens that I think work well in the Hobonichi on the Tomoe River paper. This would be one of them. But I don't like the inconsistency. It does better, actually. This one does better without the padding. But it's like the little skipping. I don't care for that. Anyways, they're not bad pens. They're just not my favorites. So we have a Pentel Calm and a Uniball 1. And I do really like the blue-green color on the Uniball. All right, so let's take a look at the spiral planner. So, here is your cover, and it has a silver coil. We are back to normal, regular people binding. I want Cloth and Paper to bring back the original notebooks with the regular spiral binding, or it did have a little kind of cover over it, but like those hardcover things, I want to love them and I just don't. So I'm happy to see that we've come back to just a regular spiral coil. And it is, the 2025 is on white on the cover, which is sort of frosted. Front and back, says Cloth and Paper on the back. And then this front cover talks about living each day with a sense of wonder and gratitude, recognizing the potential for growth and transformation in every moment. And then it's got a lot here. Monday start, weekly task layout, 2025 yearly planner. So that is a cardstock material for the cover. A place for you to put in your name, who it belongs to. You've got 2025 year at a glance, some holidays and observances, and then lined note paper. And then the cover for each month, I believe, is reflective of a person, maybe an artist. And so January is passion, February is love, and so on. So sort of defines the word. Then it talks about the person, maybe something that they've said. Then you have line paper again, a place for you to put in some goals, important dates, priorities, bill due, and a checklist. Month at a glance calendar. So we have a Monday start, Saturday and Sunday combined. I like my calendar Sunday to Saturday, but I like my weekly Monday to Sunday. I can work with it because I generally will not use the month at a glance here anyway, but that is just my preference. I like wall calendars to be Sunday to Saturday, desk pad Sunday to Saturday. It just depends though. Like if I'm using it for something specific, sometimes I do like to have Saturday and Sunday together. Then you have 2 more line sheets, and then we get into our weekly overview. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday on the left, Thursday, Friday on the right, Saturday and Sunday are combined in the same column. I believe this is the new academic layout. I could be wrong, but I believe that that's where this derived from, or it's similar to. It is called weekly task layout. So you have a place for you to put in your priorities, and then there's room for 6 things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my thing is, I don't really look at, I mean, I do sometimes have, sometimes, this is not a daily thing, have like those important things that I need to get done that I would consider a priority, and then a to-do list. I'm going to have a to-do list every day though. So I would rather have like one to-do list as a task list, and then I can maybe prioritize how I would like to do it. Like maybe 1 thing a day, or 3 things a day, or nothing at all. So I say all that to say, I wish it were just labeled to-do list, and then you could prioritize your own way. That's me personally. Then there's additional lined spaces here. I would be curious how, someone else may choose to use this. I can see a whole handful of different things. Maybe a grocery list, maybe a to-call list, maybe, if you're working on a project or something else. Bill due, any number of things, but just curious if there's someone out there that has something outside the box that they would use it for. Please share. Then we've got a section down here at the bottom for notes, and it is the same on the other side with the exception of Saturday and Sunday. They're combined, and it's hard to like I was like, maybe you could do like an S next to Saturday or Sunday, but they both start with S. So you're working with what you're working with. It also would have been nice if maybe half could be Saturday, like maybe half the number of spaces. I don't know, just thinking out loud, but like half the number of spaces for priorities or to do, and not having this extra here, maybe having your notes in here, and then Sunday, so that half Saturday, half Sunday. But this is a different layout, so it will be fun to check it out and see how it works. I see you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks, and then line note paper. This is dated, so the dates are all there for you. You get into February, month at a glance, line paper, and your weekly overview. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now February, you're only getting 4 weeks. I'm assuming it sort of aligns with whatever the calendar is, since it is dated. And you do have like March 1st and 2nd on this last week. March is hope. April is Heroism, Arthur Ashe. May is Autonomy, Morgan Freeman. June, Carpe Diem. July, Resilience. August, Valor. September, Pursuit. October, Habit. November, Optimism. And December is Perception. Let's see. The last week does have January 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. So it's the week of December 29th through January 4th. You have 2 lined pages at the end. And then there is a contact list with room for 4, 8, 12, 16 contacts. Name, phone, email, website, and address, and birthday, and then a box for additional info. And then you end with a lined sheet. You've got a cardstock back cover and then the frosted cover on the back. And that is your 2025 spiral. So for me, I used last year's for affirmations. I really did not care for the cover, so I did not use it for journaling or devotional, Bible devotional. I stuck with what I had been using. So this layout for me is not going to work for that either, nor affirmations, nor Bible journaling. So I am not sure what I want to use this for. I do have times where I particularly like when I'm working on new releases, things for Studio Bliss Co., Planner Sesh Box, where I like to have these tasks. I like to use the Ivy Lee method for that. I don't know how I'm going to get the best use out of this. I love the size, but I am not sure how I am going to use this in 2025 with this layout. Not a bad layout, just something new, and I'm not sure how to best incorporate it into my life. So that is the November cloth and paper intention box. We have our brown puffer pouch 2025 spiral planner, raised stickers, tortoise stickers, luxe page flags, January 2025 calendar card, our monthly reflection card, our memento card, gift tag stickers, and we have the Uni 1 and the Pentel pin. Let me know what your favorite thing is from the November box. I really like, I'm really just happy that the spiral is back to a traditional spiral. I think that I will love the layout once I figure out what I want to use it for and get the lay of the land. I really like the brown pouch as well. So let me know down in the comments what your favorite thing is and if you got this box. And remember, I do have an extra spiral, if you're interested, that I have to destash and sell. Post down below or email me at studioblisscoplans@gmail.com. Hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that it was helpful for you in deciding. I believe that Cloth and Paper will have the spiral available later as well, maybe as part of Black Friday. I'm not sure. So if it's something that you are interested in purchasing, I hope that I provided you with a lot of good information to make that decision as well. Be sure to hit that like button, and I'll see you back here next time. Bye.